Get ready for a journey to paradise as we explore the luxurious secrets Playa Blanca Costa Mujeres, a hidden gem nestled along the pristine shores of Mexico's Caribbean coast. This adults-only haven is where romance meets relaxation, and indulgence knows no bounds. So grab your virtual margarita, and let's dive into this tropical oasis that's about to become your next dream vacation destination. Picture yourself waking up in one of the 507 modern suites at Secrets Playa Blanca, where every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure your ultimate comfort and pleasure. These aren't just rooms. They're your personal sanctuaries of serenity. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by handmade furniture that adds a touch of local flair, complemented by carefully curated local art that brings the vibrant Mexican culture right to your fingertips. But don't worry, they haven't forgotten about those modern amenities we all secretly can't live without. Each suite comes equipped with a flat-screen satellite TV, perfect for those lazy mornings when you just can't bear to leave your plush bed. And speaking of mornings, your very own coffee and tea-making facilities ensure you can get your caffeine fix without even having to put on pants. Now that's what we call luxury. But wait, there's more. Imagine stepping out onto your private balcony or terrace, coffee in hand, to witness a breathtaking Caribbean sunrise. For those who like to live on the wild side, or should we say the wet side, some suites even offer swim-out access. That's right, you can literally roll out of bed and into a refreshing pool. Talk about making a splash first thing in the morning. And if you're feeling extra fancy, the preferred club suites are where it's at. These bad boys come with exclusive privileges that'll make you feel like Mexican royalty. While we don't have the exact square footage, let's just say these suites are roomier than your average New York City apartment. And with the unlimited luxury, all-inclusive concept, you might just forget what it's like to reach for your wallet. It's like they've thought of everything, leaving you with the arduous task of deciding whether to lounge in your suite or by the pool. Tough life, right? Now let's talk about food, because, let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation. Secrets Playa Blanca doesn't mess around when it comes to dining. They've got a smorgasbord of restaurants that'll take your taste buds on a world tour without ever leaving the resort. From authentic Mexican cuisine that'll make you want to become an honorary Mexican, to international dishes that'll have you questioning why you ever eat at home, this place has it all. And the best part? No reservations required. That's right, spontaneous foodies rejoice. You can waltz into any restaurant whenever the hunger pangs strike. Whether you're in the mood for a casual beachside bite or a fancy schmancy dinner that requires you to dust off that one collared shirt you packed, they've got you covered. But what's a meal without a drink? Or two or three? We're not judging. The bars at Secrets Playa Blanca are ready to quench your thirst with unlimited top-shelf spirits. From swim-up bars where you can sip a piña colada without ever leaving the pool, to elegant lounges perfect for that pre-dinner aperitif, you'll find your perfect watering hole. And for all you wine enthusiasts out there, rumor has it their wine selection is so good, it might just turn water into wine. Okay, maybe not literally, but after a few glasses, you might start to believe it. While we don't have the exact operating hours, let's just say if you're awake, there's probably a bar open somewhere in the resort. It's like an adult version of Disneyland, but instead of rides, you get cocktails. And who doesn't want that? When it comes to cooling off, Secrets Playa Blanca doesn't disappoint. The resort boasts multiple oceanfront infinity pools that seem to melt right into the Caribbean Sea. It's like Mother Nature and the hotel architects got together and said, let's blow some minds. And boy, did they succeed. These aren't your average backyard pools. We're talking expansive aquatic playgrounds where you can float your cares away while gazing at the endless horizon. The swim-up bars in these pools are so convenient, you might forget how to walk on land. Just remember to reapply that sunscreen, or you might end up looking like a very relaxed lobster. But let's not forget the real star of the show, that pristine white sand beach stretching as far as the eye can see. It's the kind of beach that makes you want to quit your job, sell all your possessions, and become a professional beach bum. The crystal clear waters of the Caribbean are practically begging you to dive in. And for the adventure seekers, hold onto your snorkels because this place is a water sports paradise. Snorkeling, kite surfing, Whale shark swimming, yes, you read that right. Scuba diving and sport fishing are all on the menu. It's like they've taken every water activity you can think of and said, yep, we've got that. Just imagine telling your friends back home that you went swimming with whale sharks. That's a story that'll make even your most well-traveled buddy green with envy. Now let's talk about pampering, because vacation isn't just about working on your tan. The Secret Spa is set to reopen in June 2024, and rumor has it, it's going to be a game changer. While we don't have the exact details, if it's anything like other Secrets resorts, you can expect a state-of-the-art facility that'll make you forget what stress even feels like. Picture yourself melting into a massage table as expert hands work out knots you didn't even know you had. Or maybe you prefer to sweat it out in a sauna, pretending you're detoxing from all those poolside margaritas. Hey, we can dream, right? And for those who like to keep up their fitness routine even on vacation, we salute you, you dedicated souls. The fitness center is also getting a makeover. By June 2024, you'll be able to work out with ocean views so stunning, you might actually forget you're exercising. Now, that's what we call motivation. But Secrets Playa Blanca isn't just about lounging by the pool or beach, although let's be honest, that's a pretty big part of it. For those moments when you want to channel your inner Indiana Jones, the resort's location is perfect for exploring some of Mexico's most incredible attractions. Just a hop, skip, and a 30-minute ferry ride away is Isla Mujeres, a tiny island paradise that's big on charm. It's the kind of place where golf carts outnumber cars, and the pace of life slows down to island time. Back on the mainland, you're just a short drive from the vibrant city of Cancun. Think of it as your chance to stock up on souvenirs and maybe practice those salsa moves you've been working on by the pool. But here's the real kicker. Secrets Playa Blanca is located near the world's second-largest barrier reef. That's right, snorkel enthusiasts and scuba fanatics, this is your mecca. The underwater world here is so colorful and diverse, it makes Finding Nemo look like a black and white film. And for those who prefer to keep their heads above water, the sunsets over the Caribbean are the stuff of legends. Trust us, your Instagram followers are going to hate you, in the best possible way, after you post those sunset pics. So what's the verdict on Secrets Playa Blanca Costa Mujeres? Well, if you're looking for adults-only getaway that combines luxury, relaxation, and just the right amount of adventure, you've hit the jackpot. The attention to detail in the rooms, the variety of dining options, and the stunning natural beauty of the location all add up to a resort that's hard to beat. The unlimited luxury concept means you can leave your wallet in the safe and focus on what really matters, deciding which pool to lounge by or which restaurant to try next. However, no resort is perfect, and Secrets Playa Blanca is no exception. Some facilities, including the spa and fitness center, are still under renovation until June 2024. So if you're planning a trip before then and those amenities are deal breakers for you, you might want to keep that in mind. Additionally, while the adults-only policy ensures a peaceful, romantic atmosphere, it obviously means this isn't the place for a family vacation with the kids. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.